Suppose you are going somewhere and you are driving a car and you are driving a bike. Then just imagine it like when you are going to that destination or you are going to any point, before traveling it, like before driving your car and bike to that point, you think about that road physically. Like in reality, you think about it, that how am I going to go there? Is that road block? Will there be more traffic? You visualize it in your brain, and after that you take actions and turn that visualization into reality. That is how your delusions work, and that is how whatever you think, whatever you visualize, will turn into reality. But the thing is, how will it turn? Just imagine it, if you're sitting here and if I'm imagining it to make the traffic and to go here and there, I cannot do it because for that I am not even taking slightest of action. So with visualization, you need to start taking slightest of the slightest action, and then you need to take the actions accordingly to make that visualization into reality. So yes, if you are having any doubt to manifest or to imagine about your success, then you are wrong. You should have no doubts while being delusional, while planning to do something or visualizing your success. You have to be delusional because tell me what is truth according to you. You want to believe in the truth, right? That this thing is true, that thing is not truth. Tell me what is truth. Is this phone truth? Is this mic truth? Is anything true here? Just know this thing, that every true thing that is existing now was a delusion, was a thought in somebody's mind. And when that person have proved that thing to make it in real life, then that thing is truth now. So why not you can also do the same thing? Just believe in something, just be delusional about it, and turn it into reality. And once you turn it into reality, that is the new truth. Every inventor, every truth maker have done the same thing. They think about something, they believe it, they have the plan for it, nobody else believes in them, and one day they turn that thing into reality, and that is the new truth. And I understand now also you must be having some doubts regarding visualization, being delusional, or believing in things. I know, I understand that. Ask in the comment section, ask in my Instagram DMs, everywhere. I will try to help you and I will surely answer to all your questions.